Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on triple click live speech shortcut with the side button on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So as you can see now, if I got the triple click, it is just going to lock my iPhone because it is going to read me as the just one click, because I do not have anything like the shortcut on the iPhone right now. But if you want to have with the triple click of the side button, so 1, 2, 3, the live speech coming onto your screen, you want to go to the settings, swipe down a little bit, go to the accessibility, then swipe down again and go to the live speech. So here just turn this feature on, and now once you click the live speech 3 times, so 1, 2, 3, you're going to get the live speech now on your screen. And what it does, I have like two favorite phrases right here, and how to add the favorite phrases. We have another video on our channel about that. So what you can do, just click the phrase and this is going to read it. And also you can just type something with the keyboard. So how are you doing today, let's say, and just click send.
How are you doing today?
So this is going just to read the text that you have typed right here. So, and the triple click is going to work everywhere in the iPhone. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the iPhone is not locking right now. If I press once, after some time it is going to be locked. Also, the live speech works on the lock screen also. So 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the live speech is now on. And if you want to go to the phrases, just click on the onto the phrases and you will get there. So again, how to get to the setting: open settings. Once you are in the main page of the settings, swipe down, tap on accessibility, swipe down, type on live speech, and here you are. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!